Hello everyone. I'm Sudipta and with me are Nishant and Mohit. Welcome to our channel Switch Hits, where we talk about cricket as just three fans discussing their passion. We had a wait of about 37 days this time for the IPL, and it kicked off with a poetry of the bat of Rohit Sharma. So let's get the ball rolling. What are your thoughts on our version of El Clasico tonight?
कमाल
Mohit?
हो गया यार आज तो I think the core of CSK came out all guns firing, and we saw the magical touch of Dhoni's captaincy right at the end in those last 4 overs when he very smartly sent two left-handers ahead of himself. I think that was a class of genius from the man himself. So beautiful. Nishant, what's your thought?
I think it was a good game for Chennai to have started off well. I think it just sets the momentum for the team, and for Chennai to do well in this tournament, it was very important that the core performs. Like you said. So I think it was a great performance by Ambati Raidu, who I believe would be looking at this tournament, as something which is going to be extremely important for him if he wants to stake a claim to that Indian squad. And I think Faf du Plessis played the sheet anchor's role. And so I think it was a good match overall for CSK. And it is the ninth successive year that MI has not won their first match.
So
So, and the saga continues for them.
and
Right?
और एक
But
बात
I
भी
think it
है
was a good game.
दुबई में and rather UAE में शायद it's their sixth loss on the trot. They have lost all matches that they
Yeah,
have played in the UAE,
yeah, in
and that shows in
2014.
the team.
Yeah.
मतलब थोड़ा तो weakness है in the spin bowling department, and आज तो बहुत properly दिख रहा था when Krunal Pandya was stoned around and he was the bowler bowling 4 overs. उसके
I
बाद
think Mumbai का main problem वही है that they are overly dependent on Bumrah. और
हाँ
बुमराह जिस दिन नहीं चला उस दिन आपके पास ना ही बैक एंड पे कोई है. यू डोंट हैव एनीबडी एट दैट टू कम इन एंड डिलीवर. And we saw that Rohit Sharma was going back to Bumrah. I think he gave him the 12th over and the 15th over,
15th over
which is very odd because earlier Bumrah I have seen bowl 16, 18 and 20,
20.
or
Right.
at the max 17 and 19. So it was very surprising for me to see Rohit Sharma going back to Bumrah
A
in the
touch of
12th over and the 15th over.
a touch
So
of
that
nostalgia
tells
as
me,
well. Saurabh Tiwari, Murli Vijay all getting games today. And Saurabh Tiwari ending up as the highest scorer for MI. Wasn't he the
Yeah, I think
emerging
I
player
think there was
10 years
some.
back or something?
I
yeah,
think
he was emerging
2011
player
when
2010.
Yeah.
2010
2010 for
2011, right?
RCB, yes.
When both
That was the
Raidu and
season when
Tiwari
RCB
came
made
back
the
to the
final.
fold.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right.
Uh,
I think there were some surprise selections to start off with. I was very surprised that Dhoni left out Bravo and selected Karan, but as it turned out, it was a pretty inspired selection. And maybe one of the thought process that Dhoni might have had is, Bravo could be carrying a niggle for all you know, but also because Sam Curran was coming in with match experience, having played
I think,
recently and also
and plus the
contributed in the
fact
series
that,
against Australia.
yeah, plus the fact that in that top order, if you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
no
Chennai don't have a
left-handers.
left-hander.
Yeah.
So having Jadeja and Karan as left-handers
Right.
against Rahul Chahar and Krunal Pandya, with both the bowlers wherein the ball
That
is
was the plan.
coming
Yeah.
into the left-hander, right? So that was a very
Yeah.
smart. I was, it's surprising that we didn't, call it out yesterday, but it was a very smart selection. The fact
Yes.
that the surprising one for me was them going with Ngidi instead of Tahir. I was a bit surprised with that, although Ngidi did come at the end and redeemed himself and the team both.
Ngidi had
So that kind
given
of
a good
paid off.
account of himself last year. But yes, I
Correct,
agree. I did not expect
Yeah.
him to play.
But वो
correct.
प्रॉब्लम
But then,
होगा आगे जाके because CSK का
right,
वीकनेस तो डेथ बॉलिंग होगा ही
हाँ
because
correct.
पहले तो उनका bench strength when it comes to fast bowlers is not strong enough. There is only Josh Hazelwood waiting in the wings, and you
No, they
again
have
cannot really
Shardul Thakur
classify
who
him.
did not play today.
Yeah,
yeah
but again, I
Shardul
mean,
Thakur,
not what you would not bowlers who you can rely in the death like say an MI would rely on a Jasprit Bumrah or a Lasith Maliga. right? So
Correct. Yeah.
death bowling will be a challenge for Chennai as they progress through the tournament. But ठीक है, आज
Yeah.
उसकी बात नहीं करते हैं. I mean, today they have won. The
You
other
can
thing
see
that I
me in
wanted
CSK
to,
colors today.
yeah.
Yes.
Good. It's a
Yes.
good start for CSK. The other thing to note also is Hardik Pandya did not bowl, and I did allude to that in our discussion
Yes.
yesterday,
Yes.
because he's
Yes.
coming from an injury, and it will be extremely important for Mumbai that Hardik Pandya bowls. Otherwise, without Hardik Pandya the bowler, Mumbai's bowling resources would be stretched too thin.
Honestly, I
And
was
I think just to add
surprised.
to that, just one point. Rohit's captaincy decisions, a couple of decisions today were not very great. Not sharing the load of Rahul Chahar and Krunal Pandya with Pollard and
Especially
Hardik Pandya.
the
Hardik might
18th
not be
over
fit.
for Krunal,
yeah,
when
Correct.
Jadeja
I'm not
was
sure
at the
his
crease
bat's fit
and
to
then
bowl.
Karan was to follow. That was
Yes.
somehow very surprising.
I am surprised that he didn't go to, take in 2-3 overs, combined
matlab-
from Pollard and from
हाँ,
from
Ideally,
Pandya.
it should have been Pattinson 18, Bumrah 19th, and Bolt 20. I was also surprised that he gave the 18th over to Krunal Pandya. He got the wicket in that over, but I think I think that is where I think Dhoni stumped Rohit, because
Exactly.
Rohit would have expected if a wicket goes down at that moment, and there would be a right-hander coming in, and that is where I
Yes.
think Dhoni rolled the dice, and he sent Karan
Absolutely.
to counter
That's
Pandya,
a
right? So
genius.
that was, I think, a very, very smart move.
Yes.
Right.
On the part of MI's batting, I think De Kock and Rohit both started off very well. Their weakness this year seems to be in the middle order somewhere, because if you have De Kock and Rohit Sharma at the top, right, then you are sort of left with sort of Tiwari, Surya Kumar Yadav, and Krunal Pandya at 3, 4, and 5. Which
Yeah, I
seems
disagree
a
with
bit
you there,
shaky to
because
me. So
I disagree,
I
because I
would
think this is
prefer
a
Rohit
mid-order.
Sharma at 3, and somebody else opening with De Kock. And if you see, in the years where Mumbai Indians have gone on and done very well, Rohit Sharma has anchored and controlled the innings at number 3 or 4,
वैसे one
rather than
thing
going
that
out at the
we
top.
have to think, can Mumbai play one bowler less, include Lin at the top, and expect Pollard, Hardik, and
No.
Krunal to get 8 overs?
I don't think so, because your
I don't
bowling
think so.
resources are already thin, and there is definitely an over reliance that we saw on Jasprit Bumrah. Like Mohit said, I think Rohit, every time he needed a wicket, or when he saw that the partnership exceeded 100 runs, I think he was definitely looking at Bumrah to be his wicket-taking bowler, and that is putting too much of over reliance on just one bowler. I think if you look at the previous seasons,
somebody
you would
like
have expected
Hardik
maybe
Pandya, जो 10 over डालता है वनडेज
exactly.
में अपने लिए, if we think
नहीं,
that he
वो
will
विकेट
not
भी
be
लेता
able
है
to
ना
bowl,
पांड्या. आज जिस ओवर्स बुमराह ने आज बॉल डाला है, आई थिंक यूजुअली पास्ट सीजन्स में आप देखोगे तो आई थिंक रोहित would have given the ball to Hardik Pandya in those overs, or maybe asked Lasith Malinga to come and bowl those middle overs and then preserve Bumrah at the death, right? And that is so Pandya not bowling. I don't know if this is the strategy, or if this is the approach that they are going to continue throughout the tournament. Mumbai will definitely be challenged, in the bowling, especially because they do not really have a quality spinner in their ranks, right? Rahul Chahar again, I mean, has performed well last year, but not a proven performer, not someone who you can just count on.
Right? Yes, right. For Chennai, I think on the bowling front, Bravo will only add going forward to what they have. So, for me, the ideal 11, the ideal bowling unit for Chennai would be where, Tahir replaces in Gidi. And Shardul Thakur comes in place of, one of the bowlers who played today for, their
Piyush Chawla.
domestic recruits. And then you have Bravo somewhere in there instead of Sam Curran. So, that will take care of their death bowling. So
I think
Bravo
Piyush
is
Chawla
somebody
को
they have
हटाना
relied
काफी
upon
मुश्किल है with
historically for the
this
last 2-3
pedigree.
Chawla
back end.
हटेगा भी नहीं. I think Dhoni has always trusted Chawla, even when Chawla was playing for India and Dhoni was the captain. So I think Dhoni does repose a lot of faith in Chawla. And again, it would be very difficult to leave Piyush Chawla out of the squad, especially
And let's
considering
face
his
it, he was
performance today.
probably the best bowler on display today.
But I
Oh
don't
yeah,
think
pitches.
Chawla and Tahir can play together. I mean, it doesn't,
So they won't play them.
quite
I don't
right.
think they
Yes.
will play them.
They'll play them
Yes.
together. They have Jadeja to bowl. Too
What
many
I think
spinners, I think.
going forward, I think they will persist with this 11, knowing Dhoni and knowing CSK. They will
Uh,
persist with this 11 in a couple of matches, or maybe 2, 3 matches. And then I think Shane Watson's form is going to be crucial for Chennai to determine who the fourth foreign player is. Right. So if there is a
Yeah.
replacement, then it
Correct.
will be Watson who will go out. I think the other three foreigners in Sam Curran and you have Ngidi and Duplessis. I think we might see Dhoni continue with these three foreigners at least for the next 4 or 5 games. Then
Depends
Watson,
how they perform over the
how
next few,
exactly?
yeah.
Because then
So
Rituraj
last
Gaikwad
season
can
we
come in and
saw,
open.
yeah.
correct, yes, yes. Last
So
season we saw him, persisting with Watson right till the end. So Watson is kind of that X factor player who Dhoni likes. The kind of players he moves around is, Ngidi, Sam Curran, the bits and pieces players. So if you have a turning pitch, he'll bring in Tahir instead of Ngidi. He'll bring in Bravo instead of Sam Curran. So he'll do these smart changes. He needs to do that because all of these guys can't play for 14 games as well, obviously. So he
Right.
needs to make those changes as
so
well. But
one moment
right now,
of the day,
yeah,
if you had to find one.
I think for me, definitely, Jadeja and Sam Curran coming ahead of Dhoni. That was, I think that made the difference at the end. Because had there been a right-hander, even if it was Dhoni, things might have gotten a bit, tight in there. So that was a very good move strategically, and obviously how Raidu played, and sort of looked in form, the Raidu of 2018. So that was a very strong strong indications for CSK going forward.
I think that Jadeja's over actually turned the game around when he got both Hardik and
Pollard,
very
no,
got
not not
not
Pollard.
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 Yeah,
Um, Krunal? No, not even
whoever it
him.
was. Yeah. So, but I think there
Saurabh Tiwari and Hardik
Saurabh
Pandya.
Yeah,
Tiwari and
Saurabh
yes,
Tiwari and
yes.
Hardik.
Yes,
Right.
I would say that Mumbai got a bit unlucky there. Both of them caught right at the boundary. Probably a meter
Smaller
behind.
ground.
Deeper would have
Yeah.
gone for six. So
I think
that's where I said that
that
the
was
smaller
25 runs.
grounds in Mumbai at Wankhede and the slightly bigger grounds will make a difference for
Yeah.
Mumbai. So yeah,
So for me, I think difficult to pick one moment, but basically, to just sum up my observations of the game. I think number one would be we saw that I think spin had a very important role to play in this match. You look at Chennai spinners who are definitely better, head to head as compared to the spinners that Mumbai had in their ranks. So for Chennai, the spinners picked up 3 wickets for 54 runs in 8 overs, and I think Mumbai spinners went for plenty, right? So they have got a good mix of experience, and I think they delivered. Second, the bigger boundaries also came into play, right? Mohit, to your point, I think if this game was played in Wankhede or Chipok, that those shots would have definitely gone for a six. So bigger
MI would have
boundaries are
got 200
definitely
then. MI would have
exactly.
got
So
two
so
200 at Wankhede.
boundaries,
Yeah.
bigger boundaries will definitely keep the spinners in play, right? And you will only see that happen, more often as the tournament progresses, right? Second, I think what we also observed is the rustiness of the Indian fast bowlers on either side. Deepak Chahar, someone who usually bowls at 140, 142, and we have seen him hit the stride right from the first ball, and I think there was definitely rustiness there, especially in the first couple of overs, though he came back well. And then same for Bumrah. We did not see, I think I remember seeing just 2 Yorkers from Bumrah. He was trying to rely on length balls and he was
Yeah.
trying to hit the pitch hard, cutters ho rahe the. But wo Yorkers dikhne ko nahi mile. And I think we'll see that as the tournament progresses, as bowlers become more confident and they have more match practice behind them. So I think it was a good game. It was a good game to start the tournament with. I think both the sides. I mean, Mumbai have lost, but that is how it has been for them for the past couple of years. But yeah, I mean, they're still a,
Absolutely.
they're,
I
they're
just
still a
like to
very
add two
strong
points
contender.
there. Chennai gave, I think I was counting 16 runs extra on the field. So, going forward as well, I see them doing that. So, Chennai start the match with plus, like minus 15 in their account because of the kind of fielding they have. So, they have to, keep that in mind. And the second thing on Bumrah, I didn't see him bowl the slower one as well. So the vintage Bumrah slower one which he bowled, I didn't see Yorkers of course, but there were no loopy
I think
slower
वो
ones
आएगा.
as well.
I think the
So
tournament का
आएगा, but
progress होगा.
I am just
आएगा.
starting to get a feeling that Bumrah has transformed into a proper test bowler. That's my fear. I hope I am wrong.
No.
He has
I think
so
it's very early
let's see.
days. Very
Yes,
early
yes.
days. We also have to remember that 7 months without cricket, and then again before the pandemic struck us, he was just coming back from injury, right? I think the champion
Correct.
bowler that is, I'm sure we'll see him at his best as the
We
tournament
hope so.
progresses, and we
Yes,
hope to see him
absolutely.
at his best,
Yes,
right?
absolutely.
So
कल की मैच
So
की बात
the
करें.
only
for
other
tomorrow,
change, the only other change I think before we go into the next match, I think Mumbai have to consider Ishan Kishan in this 11, right? I think just to
absolutely.
give that impetus in the middle overs and
Yes.
someone who can really play a variety of shots
I was
against the spin.
surprised he didn't play today. I was surprised he didn't make 11.
I was surprised to see Saurabh Tiwari. The bet came off, but we don't know how Tiwari is going to sustain that performance later on in the
Right,
tournament.
right. So quickly, let's wrap up for tomorrow. We have Delhi Capitals versus Kings 11 Punjab. My favorite team, apart from CSK, Delhi Capitals, powerhouse of
Absolutely.
Indian talent in there. The most exciting team this year for me
Without-
are for your
But
Delhi
somehow they
Capitals
give out a
and
very unsettled feeling. There's no logic to it, but somehow they give out
new
an
side.
aura of
They
uncertainty.
have blooded in a lot
I
of
think
new people in. So let's see how they shape up their final 11 tomorrow. I'm very keen to see that whether Rahane makes the cut or Dhawan makes the cut. Either one of them should be dropped, should not be
Yeah.
in the final 11.
Both cannot play.
Prithvi Shaw, Pant, and Shreyas
Iyer.
Iyer will be the core of the batting.
Hetmyer will get a
I
game. They'll
absolutely
go in with
and
one international batsman in Hetmyer. This
probably
is a team which can actually go in with a complete, with a
Domestic
complete
team.
the
batting
only team.
lineup.
Yes, yes,
The
yes.
only team which can afford to do that,
Right.
and then they can
I'll
have
be
four
keen to
bowlers.
see if they play Stoinis, and if they play Stoinis, where Stoinis plays. At what position he plays. That will be very, very interesting to
Stoinis,
watch.
I don't think will start because uh, Stoinis has performed well recently as an opener. Big Bash League, maybe I think he was one of the highest run scorers, if not the highest. And I think all of
Right.
those runs came as an opener. Or recent one-day series में भी देखा कि 3 number पे आ रहा है. He's not someone who really, he needs time to settle in, and he's not someone who will just
Yeah.
come in and tong the ball from the word go, right? So I don't think Stoinis will start. But I think Delhi Capitals, definitely my bet is on Delhi Capitals, the
Yes.
strongest team on paper.
Yeah.
Settled
Kings
But if
11,
the
they have a new
hailstorm hits,
captain this
then you
year,
cannot,
KL Rahul.
cannot hide.
Kings 11 new captain KL Rahul.
Once again, yeah.
It will be
Another
exciting.
season,
to see.
another captain.
Yeah, but I think he'll go a long way with Kings 11. I
Yeah.
hope so. It will be interesting to see whether they play Gale tomorrow or not. I'll be looking forward to that.
Yeah.
And favorites for me tomorrow is the Delhi Capitals definitely. Sudipta, what's your view?
I somehow think Punjab is going to scrape through. Let's see. I think with all the players not really settled in, somebody with the experience of Gale will make a perfect match tomorrow.
Right.
कल close match होगा यार, काफी close match होगा. A lot of interesting players to look out for on both sides, right? यहाँ पे पंत हो गया, अयर हो गया, पृथ्वी शॉ हो गया. Punjab has KL Rahul, who before the pandemic was in great form. It could be a very important tournament for Mayank Agarwal as well. We were having this discussion for Jadeja, someone who has been around for a long time, but yet has not had that breakthrough season in the IPL. And a player of his quality is due for one, right? So hopefully, he can make this tournament count. I'd be very interested to see the progress of Ravi Bishnoi. And he has Anil Kumble as the coach. So it would be very interesting to first see if he starts. I'm pretty sure that he will start
So
the
I
game
think
because
they
I
have
don't see any
Gautam
other
and Ravi.
spinner.
I think they'll go with Gautam and Ravi Bishnoi both. So
Possible.
let's
Gautam as
see
in
how that.
Krishnappa Gautam. Yeah,
Krishnappa
okay.
Gautam.
Krishnappa Gautam, yes. So let's see how that plays out.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Wonderful.
Okay.
CSK starts off on a winning note. MI starts off in their typical fashion. It's all to perfect to the script. Chalo, let's see. See you
Absolutely.
guys tomorrow. Please do like and subscribe the channel. we'll be here with you all through the IPL. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.